Welcome. This quick and easy tutorial will be showing you how to sign out from a Google account on Android phone. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, just go ahead over to your settings app. Okay. Find it, tap on it. And once done, scroll down until you find accounts or the accounts and backup section. Okay. You could also do it under Google, but this one is easier. Okay. Just tap on it. And once done, tap on at the very top, you have manage accounts. Tap on it. And then here you'll be able to see a ton of accounts. Okay. Just make sure to select the ones with the Google logo. All right. And once done, go ahead and find all of your Gmails or one of your accounts that you wanted to remove on your phone. Okay. Let's say, for example, this account right here, I'm going to tap on it. And I'm going to tap on remove account. Okay, there will be a pop-up that says removing this account will delete all of its contacts, calendars, and other data from this phone. The data will remain in the account and can be accessed by signing in again. Now, if you're really sure, just tap on remove, and once that's done, you're good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.